What is up, people? Today, folks, I just ordered something from Elgato that'll make my life a little bit more easier. I'm gonna show you the, oh, it's here right now. Let me go get it. Hi, konnichiwa. Oh, いいね。
はい、じゃあ2万5000円からいきます。
ありがとうございます。おー、ありがとうございます。Yeah, let's check it out. Hi, my name is Tony. I am a Tokyo-based artist and illustrator and director, but that's not the point. Anyway, today I want to do another little bit of an unboxing thing for you, kind of in the series of trying to show you how my studio works. Going forward, I'll be doing a lot more proper studio stuff, and I just kind of want to show you what's going on behind the scenes. And so I had to make a couple little purchases, and I figured, you know what? Let me just show you what I got, because I know that a lot of you guys are curious. So as you can see right here, the green screen kind of takes up all this room, and it's not a very elegant setup, but it does the job for like when I'm doing live streams, and I'm planning on doing a lot more live streams in the future. So what I decided I wanted to do was I just wanted to take this away to something I can put on the ground, because normally what I have to do is I have to roll it up in this ball thing and chuck it over the side, and I don't want to do that anymore. That's why I got the Elgato. So yeah, let's unbox it. But first, let's get rid of this old thing. I guess you guys know by now I don't really do unboxings, so this is all new to me. Well, apparently I've been talking to myself this whole time, and I didn't record any of it. Let me just sum up what I was saying. Let's pretend that I didn't open this. All right, I'm literally the worst YouTuber in the world. Jesus. So here's the thing. I wanted a nice solution, because at the time I thought I was gonna move to another location, and I didn't know how much space I had, and I didn't have enough room to have my usual setup for the green screen. It just so happened that I was trying to update my drivers for the Elgato Stream Deck, which is something I really use a lot for doing my live streams. And I saw that they had this chroma key device. I was like, holy crap, that's awesome. So what's cool about this, it's just one unit. It's just one unit. Pretend I'm unboxing this again. And look at that, it's just one thing. And I could just easily take out this green screen, fold it back up, and that's it. I don't have to worry about hanging it, it's falling, and it's gonna be perfectly stretched. Another really important thing about green screen is the fact that you can't have wrinkles inside your in your key. So what happens is if you have wrinkles, it'll show up as like kind of weird distortions in your background. And so I actually had problems with this with my last setup. Now, granted, my old green screen is really huge, but the thing is, like, when the light catches it at certain angles, I would get little waves of the wrinkles, and then it would kind of show up in the background. It would mess up the key. So this thing right here, it'll stretch the green screen, and so we don't have to worry about that anymore, which is amazing. I'm really excited. All right, let's check it out. Now I know there's already been a ton of unboxing videos about this, but I'm kind of late to the game, because if I'm going to take this YouTubing seriously from now on, I gotta do something like this. Take out my trusty knife. Alright, this is like my Christmas gift to myself. So here we got the Elgato. It says right here that I gotta extend the foot thingies. So let's do that. And that's pretty much it. I'm not a man made of money, and I know that this might be a lot of, $200 might be a lot, but I don't really buy much for myself, and this is kind of like a Christmas present to myself. Granted, I got to see my folks, my family for the holidays, so I just kind of want to do something for me. And seeing how this is basically a business expense, because I plan on using this a lot going forward, I thought it was worth the purchase. Read instructions, basically like what it said before. Extend the footy things, slide it up, done. I really need to clean inside here. All right, so we're gonna extend the footy things, unlatch it, I guess. Oh, raise and retract. Whoa, yeah, boy. That's pretty cool. Wow, it's a pretty solid build. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I mean, that's the Elgato green screen. I mean, that pretty much, That's pretty much it. How do you put it back down? Let's see. Yeah. That's kind of cool. All right, let me show you what's going on in the back. You can see. You can see that it's like this. These poles just kind of stretch it out. Got a little bit of pneumatics going on in here too. Interesting. Cool. That's pretty much it. So anyway, let's put it back down. It's all nice and rolled up nicely. There's no fuss. Jeez, that is awesome. All right, that's pretty much it. That's the Elgato green screen. Yeah, I have to say, this is pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using it in future live streams a lot. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do in the future is I'm gonna start showing you guys a little bit more about my studio, because I've been getting a lot of questions from people as to how do I set up a studio for artists with the overhead camera and just how I record things in general. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a series, well, maybe not a series, but I'll make a couple other videos. There is a kind of a home studio kit that I'm gonna start making out, and I'll make that video pretty soon. I'm gonna start buying the different pieces, and then I'm gonna show you how I assemble it. And hopefully for you YouTube streaming artists out there, hopefully in the future you can make something similar too. So that will be coming up in, I guess, a week or so, hopefully. If you're interested in the Elgato green screen, I'll put a link in the description. You guys check it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, but I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. So listen, if you like this video and you want to see more, let me know, and I will make more videos like this. Hit that like and subscribe, and bye-bye. Time to make some drawings.
はい、じゃあ2万5,000円からいきます。620円。
はい。